Here I have Doogee X55, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So first of all, let's turn our device off. For this operation you'll need a tool like this to inject the slot for SIM card and SD card, that is located on the right edge of the phone. You just make it like this and the slot will come out, and here you place a SIM card, here you place an SD card, and then you place it back to the phone like this. Let's turn it back on to see if it works. And as you can see, a phone asking for the pin for SIM card, which means that it reads SIM card and memory card. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.